already this is brutal stuff. Only in the 7th point of the game, and it's already such a grueling phase on the court.
Pointing
and out
to the area of the court he needs to hit
4-3
after this, which is the back corner.
Well, and also I think he needs to use the threat of his drop shots to actually draw Castagnet forwards so that he can hit those lines in behind the Frenchman and then attack forwards. I think he has to use the threat more than just fire it in short too often. You can sort of break the movement up then, can't you?
Well, you can, but that's the severity that's needed as well. Because you talk about breaking the movement of Castagnet, and Castagnet is now one of these players that cemented himself in the top 10 Drew Boy, and he's there for a reason.
Down. And out.
It's a good tempo here by Castagnet. Really pressing on that tee line. He's got to stay reasonably forward, Frenchman, because of the attacks from Willstrop short. He's volleying very well.
Nine, 6.
Willstrop really opening
11,
the court up.
6.
Yeah, well, it's a lot of pressure. Castagnet positive.
It's one game to love.
With his hitting and moving, really is being proactive out there, the Frenchman.
Wow, it's wonderful squash from James Willstrop. That's what you have to do to be able to break down Castagnet.
Yeah, you've got to be
out.
so severe. It has to be exaggerated, and the quality has got to be perfect.
I mean, on its own, that's definitely a stroke, isn't it, really?
He's got a little bit careful with that backhand flick, Willstrop, because it's opening up the court a bit too much.
7, 6.
I can understand why he wants to change the angle on that backhand because of the quality of Castagnet's movement into the front left-hand corner with the counter drop, but he is opening up the court. Castagnet's reading it. Really putting pressure on Willstrop with his movement as well as his shot selection, Drew Boy.
Yeah, definitely. Well, it's one of his super strengths, isn't it? So he should use it to really apply pressure.
He's doing it more than I've seen it, and he's been improving in every event, but the actual acceleration and aggressive movement has been superb.
Game ball.
He's earned the stroke there, so 4 game balls for a 2-love lead for the number 3 seed. He's got it, Castagnet with the fist bump.
Game to Castagnet. Castagnet, it's 2 games to love.
Wow, what a shot. That's the way to adjust in the shot.
He certainly adjusted there. It looks like a fly swatter.
Oh, wonderful shot.
Oh, that's vintage James Willstrop.
Pulling out all the stops here, isn't he, James Willstrop?
Yeah, that's beautiful. See Malcolm Willstrop's reaction.
Down. 6, 8.
Well, Castagnet just showing exactly what he's made of. He never does give up, and he's fighting back at Willstrop.
7-8.
And a stroke there.
Out.
Well, that's the hustle. You just saw it from that camera angle. Castagnet just sprinting
10-8.
onto the ball at the front right, caning it cross
Match
court.
ball.
Just raw aggression once again, squeezing the out of court from Willstrop. He's done it, Mathieu Castagnet. He's done it. An inch perfect width, length. Sorry.
Castagnet wins 3 games to love.
2 bounces to die at the back wall.
11-6, 11-9.
48 minutes. Unbelievable play, really, for Mathieu Castagnet. High octane pressure. 11-6, 11-6, 11-9. Overcoming Willstrop. 3 games to love.